guys, tingnan nyo to. Isa sa mga early favorites for Miss Universe 2024 crown ay si Miss Universe Zimbabwe sa Kelly Dobby. Halos lahat ng Big Four pageant ay nasalihan na niya. She joined Miss World Zimbabwe 2017 and finished top 16 finalist. And in 2022, she was appointed to represent Zimbabwe in Miss Earth 2022 competition, and she ended up top 8 finalists. And on the succeeding year, 2023, she was also appointed to represent Zimbabwe for Miss Supranational 2023 competition and ended up Miss Supranational Africa 2023 Continental Queen and Miss Supranational 2023 Top Model Award. At ngayon guys, she won Miss Universe Zimbabwe 2024 and she will represent Zimbabwe in the upcoming Miss Universe 2024 competition na gaganapin sa Mexico. So guys, ang tanong, dahil sa kanyang mga karanasan in pageantry na almost 4 big crowns pageant na ang kanyang nasalihan, she is considered as the strongest delegates for this year's Miss Universe competition. Maiuwi na kaya ng Zimbabwe ang kauna-unahang Miss Universe crown for their country? Okay guys, anong masasabi niyo? Just comment below. Thanks for watching!